Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn how to sign the days of the week. ASL keyword sign Monday. Let's try Monday. One more. Monday. ASL keyword sign Tuesday. Let's try Tuesday. One more. Tuesday. ASL keyword sign Wednesday. Let's try Wednesday. One more. Wednesday. You're doing great. ASL keyword sign Thursday. Let's try Thursday. One more. Thursday. ASL keyword sign Friday. Let's try Friday. One more. Friday. ASL keyword sign Saturday. Let's try Saturday. One more. Saturday. ASL keyword sign Sunday. Let's try Sunday. One more. Sunday. Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together. Monday. One more. Monday. Tuesday. One more. Tuesday. Wednesday. One more. Wednesday. Thursday. One more. Thursday. Friday. One more. Friday. Saturday. One more. Saturday. Sunday. One more. Sunday. Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.